2025 Lincoln Aviator Premiere, a blend of luxury, technology, and performance. The 2025 Lincoln Aviator Premiere is an epitome of luxury, performance, and advanced technology. As Lincoln's midsize luxury SUV, the Aviator has long been known for its elegant design, smooth ride, and a wealth of features aimed at providing a premium driving experience. The 2025 model year continues this tradition with several updates that enhance its appeal in a highly competitive segment. Sleek exterior design. The 2025 Aviator Premiere boasts a refined exterior that combines classic Lincoln design elements with modern touches. The front grille has been slightly redesigned, featuring a more intricate mesh pattern that enhances the vehicle's upscale appearance. Flanked by sleek LED headlights, the grille flows seamlessly into the sculpted hood, creating a sense of motion even when the vehicle is stationary. The Aviator Premiere rides on 20-inch alloy wheels as standard, with an option to upgrade to larger 21-inch wheels for an even more commanding presence. The side profile is marked by clean lines and chrome accents, which add to its premium look, while the rear features updated LED taillights and dual exhaust outlets that hint at the SUV's performance capabilities. Luxurious interior. Step inside the 2025 Lincoln Aviator Premiere, and you're greeted by a cabin that exudes luxury and comfort. High-quality materials such as leather, wood trim, and brushed metal accents are used throughout, creating an environment that feels both sophisticated and inviting. The seats are plush and supportive, with 10-way power adjustability, heating, and cooling functions as standard for the front occupants. The second row offers ample space for adults, and the third row, while best suited for children, provides flexibility for larger families. The Aviator Premiere comes equipped with Lincoln's latest Sync for infotainment system, displayed on a crisp 12.3-inch touchscreen. The system supports wireless